Good morning, Philippines. Hello guys. Today we had snow. May snow sa ground. Marimar. Puno ang snow ng ang sasakyan. Hello everyone. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Good morning, America, USA. Guys, puno ang kuan, ang frozen. Ay, ang ganda ng ano, moonlight. Ito tayo, yan ang ban. Yan akong ban. Ano natin, defrost kasi guys, snow pa in town. Okay, ano lang natin, iwanan lang natin yan siya naka-under. Kuha tayo ng ano, pang linis sa kuan ng sasakyan. Sponsored by Toyota V8. Yun ang ano namin. Dito tayo guys, i-tour ko kayo. Punta tayo sa ano, isda dito, na ano, nangawil yung nag-fishing, night fishing. This is the one, the fish over here. Let me try if I could see the fish still swimming right there. Look, that's the fish. Yung fish na nakawil na ano namin, yung we go fishing, night fishing. That's the fish right there. Hang on. We are investigation. We're gonna investigate the fish in the bottom if they're still alive. Ooh! Ay, bisyo! Yan ang fish, guys. Fish. We call this fish are crabbies. Crabbies. Hey. Oh, look at guys, see the fish? That's the fish we caught on we go night fishing. We had walleye, one walleye and crabbies. See, still alive. Oh my gosh. Hey, come back here, stuck sa iyong mouth. Yeah, this is the fish right there. Probably this fish is 17 inches. Okay, we're gonna go back to the barrel phase. Maybe we're gonna be dead. I got crabbies. Back in the barrel. That's the fish right here. Oh my goodness. This is the fish they call crabbies, and spring fishing, spring night fishing. Yeah. Crabbies you can only caught on spring, by either March. Yeah. So magkukuha tayo ng pang clean sa car, okay? Broom. We're gonna get this one is big. Yeah, yun ang baloto boat. Sponsored by Toyota Tundra. Yeah guys, ang lamig ngayon. I'm going to work. Hello. Good morning everyone. Hello world. I hope you guys stay. Yan, i-brush natin. Yan. Mag-clean tayo pag may time. Hirap. It's hard when you go driving and your car is lots of snow. Because they're gonna come to your vehicle and you cannot see the road. It's not really bad frozen, but it's need to clean. I mean, froze. Cleaning din pag may time. Time check is 6:20 USA time in the morning. Philippine time tonight at 7 evening. I-clean natin. Sponsor Caravan. 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 My car is old. Work car. Yung car ko hindi naman fancy. Hindi siya yung ano lang siya. May masakyan lang papuntang work. That's all. My car is not really fancy. Alright. Hayaan natin siya nakaano. Ay, still frozen. Whew. My hand is cold. Yeah. Gosh. It's so cold in the morning. But the weather this weekend is gonna be nice and sunny. So, tiis lang. Be patient. Open natin ang mahiwagang gate ng kahoy. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. And stay safe and have a great morning and night and day in this world. Thank you. Happy Thursday all and stay safe. Bye-bye.